A pigeon in chess. Today's episode, lightning.
I'm soaked to the bone. Fucking rain.
Hour. That lightning struck very close to here.
But he is a coward indeed. That lightning must have struck several kilometers away from here.
Negative, he fell close.
And you, John, do you think you fell close too?
Not close, not far.
That was enlightening. I don't even know why I asked you that.
I will explain to you why I am categorical in saying that the lightning struck very close. As light is much faster than sound in speed, and knowing that the speed of sound is a little over 300 meters per second, we just divide the time elapsed between lightning and thunder and then divide by 3. We will then have the distance of where the lightning struck. That last thunder came right after the lightning. This indicates that it fell very close.
But he may have fallen far.
Didn't I just explain that light is much faster than sound?
Well, sound may very well have piggybacked on the light.
PFF.
Okay then, let's do this experiment. In the next lightning bolt we're going to count how long it takes between it and the thunder.
It's taking time.
It is.
Whoever wrote this fucking script should have put the lightning bolt right after my line.
I think it will be for the post-credit.
One. 2.
Damn screenwriter.